mistake I see so many business owners making is failing to have a business bank account. Now, if you're a business owner and you own a business of your own, today I'm going to be sharing with you some of the reasons I think it's absolutely critical that you need to open a business bank account. Now, if you're running your business using a limited liability company, or in fact using a limited liability partnership, it's going to be extremely critical for you to have in place a business bank account. This is because these are essentially legal entities in their own right, okay? And the only way you can actually establish the separation of the financial transactions and records of your businesses away from your personal records is by creating a business bank account. The very first reason you want to consider opening a business bank account is due to the fact that it can actually be a great way for you to build up your credit history. Now, if you're running a business, it's likely that eventually at some point you're going to need some kind of business funding, okay, or loan or a credit of some sort. Now, having a business bank account in place will enable you actually be able to establish a good credit history from the very beginning. And the next reason you want to consider opening a business bank account is the fact that it will actually help you significantly improve your credibility when it comes to actually working with your suppliers, and in fact when it comes to working with your customers. It looks a lot more professional when you are handling a business transaction and you're able to actually provide a business bank account to either your trade suppliers or indeed clients or customers of your business. Next reason to open a business bank account is the fact that it's actually a very easy and convenient way for you to be able to separate your business transactions from your personal transactions, okay? So it gives you a clear-cut way of actually seeing exactly what is coming in and what is going out of your business. It's also a very convenient way for you to be able to use those financial records to actually create, budgets and other types of financial key data that can help you really understand how your business is performing over time. And by using this information, you can make adjustments where necessary. The next key benefit of actually opening a business bank account is the ability to be able to actually accept credit card payments. Now, this might be an unusual one for some new business owners, but a lot of business bank accounts are actually able to allow you have the functionality of being able to accept credit card payments compared to if you were going to be using your personal bank account to run your business. Okay, so this is going to be a very key reason for you to actually consider the use of opening a business bank account, because a lot of customers these days usually want to have that choice and flexibility in terms of the ways and means they actually go about to make payments for the goods and services that they receive, okay? So considering the use of a business bank account that allows you that flexibility to actually accept credit card payments is going to be a huge step to actually opening up your business to more customers being able to purchase goods and services from you. Now, this is actually a benefit that not many business owners actually think about when they start their business. And that's the fact that when you actually set up a business bank account, it makes your tax preparation process a lot easier, okay? Take it from an accountant. Essentially, when you're having a business bank account, it enables you to have all your financial records and transactions in one place, right? So that means that when you actually come to the point of either doing your accounts by yourself or essentially giving all your paperwork to your relevant accountant, it makes that process a lot easier. Now, if you've just started running your business, or if you're thinking about starting your business, then it's important for you to be aware of the responsibilities that actually fall on you as a company director, or indeed as someone who is a member of a limited liability partnership. Okay, so there are lots of responsibilities that come with having that role, and one of them is the fact that you are going to be responsible for actually submitting your annual accounts on a regular basis, okay, either to Companies House or indeed to HMRC. So it's very important to actually have your process in place that helps you do that in a logical and systematic fashion. And one of the best ways you can do this is by having in place a business bank account to help you facilitate this. Another thing I really want to bring to your attention on the topic of tax is the fact that occasionally HMRC actually tend to run tax investigations and tax inquiries. Okay, so if you're a business owner who doesn't have a separate business bank account, it's very, very likely that if you're using your personal bank account to run your business and you, for whatever reason, you have a tax inquiry run up against you by HMRC, then that also opens your personal transactions up for scrutiny as well, okay? Whereas if you had a business bank account in the first place, then HMRC would simply investigate everything that is related to the business and the business alone. So that's another key reason to definitely consider opening a business bank account. These are just a few benefits that I have found have been extremely useful to actually having a business bank account for the running of my business. Now, I need you to comment down below if you have a business bank account for running your business, how useful and valuable you've actually found that as part of running your business. Now, if you have any questions at all, please do make sure you let me know in the comments section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications.